तो गाइस यार आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 9 मोशन एंड टाइम एनसीईआरटी। In class 6th you learnt about different type of motions. You learned that a motion couldn't be along a straight line. It couldn't be circular or periodic. Can you recall these three types of motion? Table 9.1 gives some common examples of motion. Identify the type of motion in each cases. Table 9.1 Some example of different types of motion. Example of motion, type of motion. Along a straight line, circular, periodic. Soldiers in a march past. सर्कुलर। ऐसे ही करके हमें सारे करने हैं। It is common experience that the motion of some objects is slow while that of some others is fast. We know that some vehicles more faster than other. Even the same vehicle may move faster or slower at different times. Make a list of 10 objects moving along a straight path. Group the motion of these objects as slow and fast. How did you decide which object is moving slow and which one is moving fast? If vehicles are moving on a road in the same direction, we can easily tell which one of them is moving faster than the other. Let us look at motion of vehicles moving on a road. Look at figure 9.1. It shows the position of some vehicle moving on a road in the same direction at some instant of time. Now look at figure 9.2. It shows the position of the same vehicles after some time. From your observation of the two figures, answers the following questions. Which vehicle is moving the fastest of all? Which one of them is moving the slowest of all? The distance moved by objects in a given interval of time can help us to decide which one is faster or slower. For example, imagine that you have gone to see off your fright at the bus stand. Suppose you start pedaling your bicycle at the same time as the bus begins to. It's easy to decide whose speed is the highest. ये देखो, ये है diagram. Which vehicles moving in same direction a road. Position of vehicle shown in after some time. ये देखो, ये पीछे है, ये भी पीछे है, ये पीछे है, ये थोड़ी आगे आई है, ये पहले यहाँ पे थी लेकिन अब यहाँ पे आ गई है, और यहाँ पे जो ब्लैक थी वो चली गई है, ये वहीं पे है और ये आगे आई है. Move the distance covered by you after 5 minutes would be much smaller than the covered by the bus. Would you say that the bus is moving faster than the bicycle? We often say that the faster vehicle has a higher speed. In a 100-meter race, it is easy to decide whose speed is the highest. One who takes shortest time to cover the distance 100 meters race has the highest speed. speed. You are probably familiar with the word speed. In the example, give about a higher speed seems to indicate that a give distance has been covered in a shorter time or a larger distance covered in a given time. The most conversion way to find out which of the two or more objects is moving faster is to compare the distance moved by them in a चुप हो जाए a unit time. Thus, if we know that the distance covered by two buses is 1 hour, we can tell which one is faster. We call the distance covered by an object is a unit time as the speed of the object. When we say that a car is moving with a speed of 50 kilometers per hour, it implies that it will cover a distance of 50 kilometers in 1 hour. However, a car seldom moves with a constant speed for 1 hour. In fact, it starts moving slowly and then picks up speed. So, when we say that the car has a speed of 50 kilometers per hour, we usually consider only the total distance covered by it in 1 hour. We do not bother whether the car has been moving with a constant speed or not during that hour. The speed calculated here is actually the average speed of the car. In this book, we shall use the term speed for average speed. So, for us, the speed is the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. Thus, speed is equals to total distance covered by में total time taken. So guys, आज हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. बाकी अगले पार्ट्स में मैं ये सारा पढ़ाऊँगा. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे थोड़े टाइम के बाद. भाई ये बहुत बड़ा है. इसका बुक वर्क भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत करा ही है. ये देखो जैसे. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.